Good morning, children. Let's continue learning addition. Now I will teach you how to add three numbers. Look at this example. How many gummy bears do the boys have altogether? Dan has 9 gummy bears. Jack has 4 gummy bears. Ty has 8 gummy bears. We need to add three numbers here. 9 plus 4 plus 8. Let's add first two numbers, that is 9 and 4. 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. Still we have another number also. Let's add the sum of 9 and 4, which is 13, to the third number 8. So 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Thus we say 9 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 21. There are 21 gummy bears. Let's take one more example. How many cubes are there altogether? There are 3 blue cubes, 8 pink cubes, and 7 green cubes. Let's add first two numbers, that is 3 and 8. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now add the third number 7 to the sum of first two numbers, which is 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. Thus we say 3 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 18. There are 18 cubes. Let us solve classwork problems. Add the following. 3 plus 0 is equal to box. What is the sum of 3 plus 0? Let's recall the first property of addition. When we add 0 to any number, we get the number itself. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 itself. 3 is the answer. Look at this example. 7 plus 2 is equal to box. What do we get if we add 7 and 2? Addition table of 7 helps you here to get an answer. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 is the sum. Let's move on to the next one. 6 plus 1 is equal to box. Now let's recall the second property of addition. When we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. What is the next number here? Let us see. What comes after 6? Yes, it is 7. So 7 is the answer. Look at this example. Here we have three numbers, 4 plus 2 plus 3. As I told you, when there are three numbers, let's add first two numbers, that is 4 and 2. What is the sum of 4 plus 2? Let's take the help of addition table of 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So, write 6 here. Now add the third number 3 to the sum of first two numbers, which is 6. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Thus we can say 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9. Let's practice adding three numbers. Look at this example. 6 plus 1 plus 1. So add the first two numbers, that is 6 plus 1. When we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now add the third number, that is 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So 6 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. Let's take another example. 2 plus 1 plus 2. Add the first two numbers, that is 2 plus 1. When we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The sum of 2 plus 1 is 3. Now add the third number, that is 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Thus 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here is an assignment for you. Thank you, children. Now let us learn addition using mind and fingers method. What will be the sum of 6 plus 3? Let's check. In this method, you should use your mind and fingers. Let's see how. Which is the bigger number? Is it 6 or 3? It is 6. So, put the bigger number in the mind. And which is the smaller number? 3. 3 on my fingers. Open 3 fingers. As I said that this is mind and fingers method, let's start counting with 6 in the mind. What comes after 6? Let us count on fingers. 7 on my first finger, 8 on my second finger, and 9 on my third finger. So 9 is the sum. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Look at another example. What will be the sum of 4 plus 4? In this example, there is no bigger or smaller number. Both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same, put first number in the mind and second number on the fingers. It means 4 in my mind and 4 on my fingers. Open 4 fingers and keep ready. Let's count with 4 in the mind. What comes after 4? After 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 is the sum of 4 plus 4. Now I will explain classwork page. Add the following. 4 plus 5. What is the sum of 4 plus 5? Let's check. Which is the bigger number? 5 is the bigger number. And which is the smaller number? 4 is the smaller number. So 5 in my mind. I have a stick figure with smiley face just to show you 5 in the mind. You don't have to draw. Which is the smaller number? 4 is the smaller number. Open 4 fingers. 5 in my mind, 4 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the sum. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Let's take one more example. 5 plus 5. In this example, both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same, first number in my mind and second number on my fingers. So 5 in my mind and 5 on my fingers. Let's start counting after 5. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is the sum. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Here we have 7 plus 1. What will be the sum of 7 plus 1? The second property of addition tells us when we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. What comes after 7? Yes, it is 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 is the sum. Look at this example. 9 plus 2 plus 5. Here we have 3 numbers. When there are 3 numbers, let's add first 2 numbers. That is 9 plus 2. Which is the bigger number here? 9 is the bigger number. And which is the smaller number? 2 is the smaller number. So 9 in my mind and 2 on my fingers. What comes after 9? After 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Now add the third number also to the sum of 9 plus 2, which is 11. 11 plus 5. Which is the bigger number? 11 is the bigger number. Which is the smaller number? 5 is the smaller number. 11 in my mind and 5 on my fingers. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is the sum. 9 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 16. The next one is 4 plus 0 plus 8. There are 3 numbers here. Let's add first 2 numbers. As per the first property of addition, when we add 0 to any number, we get the number itself. Hence, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now let's add the third number, that is 8. 4 plus 8. Which is the bigger number? 8 is the bigger number. Which is the smaller number? 4 is the smaller number. 8 in my mind and 4 on my fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the sum. 4 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 12. Look at this last sum. 6 plus 3 plus 1. First add two numbers. 6 plus 3. Which is the bigger number? 6 is the bigger number. Which is the smaller number? 3 is the smaller number. 6 in my mind and 3 on my fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now let's add the third number also, which is 1. 9 plus 1. When we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. What is the next number here? Yes, it is 10. So 6 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. Here some addition problems are there. Write in MCW and practice. That's it for today. In the next video, I will teach you how to add two-digit numbers. Thank you for listening.